It's beginning to look a lot like you.
That's yours.
Yeah, 50,000.
50,000, bro. Just 10.
Oh, should I give it to you? Okay, here.
Alright, let's go. It's yours. Let's go.
Oh, okay. But I didn't use one. Good morning.
How much gas do you need?
3,019.
90.
90. Because I was looking for the
Come, you have to go back around there and sit in the middle.
Welcome to VLOGMAS Day 9.
We're at day 9 of Vlogmas, and we thought we'd kick it off this morning with a little fun Christmas challenge featuring Javi Luke. It's his fun day today, so he's all dressed up. Have like train rides, merry-go-round, a bunch of things, bounce about. So yeah, that's festive. But Javi, the game that we're gonna play this morning is called Finish the Lyrics Christmas Edition. Alright? So I need to stay low, like sit, come closer now. So I am going to sing a song. I'm going to sing the song. You have to finish it. 1, 2, 3, go. Jingle bells, jingle bells,
Jingle all the way. All the fire with you and this way.
hey, jingle bells, jingle bells,
Jingle all the way.
all the fun is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Okay, great. So Javi's at 1 point so far. Next, let me see which other song I have on my list. It's beginning to look a lot like
You.
it's beginning to look a lot like me.
What?
You don't know that Christmas song?
No.
I'm gonna give you one more chance, alright?
Oh.
Put up lights and trees and stuff.
It looked like
Start with a C.
cool.
Cool? No, give you another chance. Start with a C. Yeah, Christmas. Yeah, you didn't get that point though, because you didn't get it right. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere we go, take a look outside and see what a wonderful thing it could be. Christmas Day. All right, last one. I think you might know this one. Okay. Breadfruits roasted on the open fire.
Cornmeal porridge on the door. Invite your children tomorrow. Merry Christmas to you.
Woo!
Don't forget this one to all of Jamaica. Lord of mercy. Give me the aki and the saltfish. In Jamaica, I need any new dish. Me love me and any cocoa. Give me banana and the chocho.
Hey, good job.
I got it correct about the page.
Yeah, you got 2 out of 3. I think you did well, Javi.
Yeah.
So that's it for our little Finish the Lyrics Christmas edition.
I'm gonna open the car and go.
Okay, so Javi's itching to go, guys. So I'm gonna drop him off, and then we are heading. Calm down, get your stuff. Remember your water bottle.
Your thing is the wrong way.
Oh my God! All along. This has been happening since yesterday, guys. I've been getting it wrong. Thank you, baby. So on the to-do list today is leave this boy at his fun day. I am going to the countryside today, guys. I'm going to country. I'm going to visit Mama and Papa today. You wanted to come? I'm going to visit my grandparents today, guys. Also, I have a fitting with a customer in the vicinity as well. So I'm just gonna use one stone and kill two birds. Javi, you have to be patient, right? And then we'll see what we get up to for the rest of the day. But as it stands, that's all I have to do. So come along for the rest of the day. Vlogmas day. No, it's not. Alright, guys. Hello.
Just to avoid grapefruit. So this is the one for high blood.
So when you carry me, where you get?
Me there quite up a road, sir. And that one you have to high blood pressure.
So guys, I'm getting some akis.
So them are my one.
So come get aki.
Come get a bag and put them in a family.
Hey, the aki tree I bear for years, you know. That's one next to a small one this. What else do I have up here? We have leaf of life, aloe vera. Bear things, guys, bear things. Like I remember climbing this aki tree. Don't ask me why I've been climb aki tree, but regular we used to run boats, aki and saltfish and dumpling here. So I'm gonna bring home the aki here, go boil it and put it in the freezer and cook it one day during the week. So that's it for me, guys. I'm heading home now. I have a quick go stop for make first though, and then it looks like it's gonna rain. Oh, this father.
Come in, come do ad.
Yeah, pay me for the ad. Guys, I am at my cousin's plaza. So I'm saying. And I'm gonna do ad for him. You take my work for free? May I come? You take my work for free, young man? You got to pay me. I just finished up my fitting at one of my lovely customers. Hey Brit, she ordered a couple dresses for her birthday slade. She's a December baby, so her birthday is coming up, and you know, she decided to support your girl with her customized birthday dresses, and they look so cute. One of them fit perfectly, love it on her, but the other one she needed to be a little bit shorter because, you know, I tell she wanted to the, you know, giving. So I'm gonna adjust the length for her so she can get it back. And yeah, I need to go and get the kiddies soon, but give me a few. I'm gonna see what the young man here wants. Talk to me. Drink H2O. Ready H2O. Okay, so it's Ready H2O Enterprises, guys. You can find them on South Street in Old Harbor. It's 36 South Street. It's right beside the train line. So if you come off of the toll right there, come over the train line, it will be on your left, and it's a brown plaza. You can't miss it. So it's Ready H2O. Lots of refilling services. They have their water stations inside. Let me show you. So you just bring your water bottles, guys, and you get them refilled right here. So check them out. You guys are on Instagram? Now an IG page, that? We need to build an IG page for you tomorrow. So it's Club Couture. Underscore, sorry, I'm me telling the wrong things. Underscore JA. So they like swimsuits, custom stuff, dresses, birthdays. This young man never have money yet. So I'm tell you, them man never give me $1 from a ball. Come man, what am I going to see what I go on?
Jody, how can I style that?
Well, look at $5 US, no sir. Do better than that. Do better than that. Do better than that. Every time him see me, I ask him for money, I didn't never give him the money yet.
Tell the people who say we teach them to cook.
Go for me, so you can't teach them to cook.
When you put on the pot, tell the people who say we teach them to cook. And then you tell the people
We're not give them the story time, guys.
I'm used to defend and show on me.
You get defend me?
I mean, I don't got a country to break up more, I remember.
You don't know. About people, you know, guys, I'm the good one, as you can see. You need to buy me a drink, young man. We can't come so far.
The amount of water there.
We don't want no water. We can't come so far, you know, buy me a drink. The kids are at school still, eh?
Yeah.
That's why I never get them. We need to go over to some mechanical for the
We
boy.
spend over $600 to buy one juice.
2 hours later.
If he sleeps forever, that means he got to sleep at school, do no work. If the teacher tell him to wake up.
So how was your fun day, Javi?
Good.
You enjoyed yourself? You went on all the rides?
But only I didn't want to.
Which ride you didn't go on today? The bounce about? That's okay. You get to go on bounce about many times, right?
Right.
But you had fun, right?
Right.
Alright, that's all that matters. It is raining cats and dogs outside. I don't mean literal cats and dogs. It's just a saying. I mean it's raining very hard. It's not really raining bad because the kids are literally...
Cats and dogs are raining.
It's just a saying, baby. The kids are literally still in the trains. You get them still on the bounce about and it's raining. And them say fun day. So let us go home. I am tired. I took a little 5 a while ago before I came to pick up the kids. And I'm not even gonna say it, but surprise, surprise, I'm having a headache. At this point, I really need to get myself checked out because I have too many headaches. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and go try to find something to eat. For some strange reason, I have not been craving fast food because a while ago I was like, what am I having for lunch? And the thought of chicken or pizza or some fast food just grossed me out. So I guess that's good because my body is rejecting that type of stuff. I have it every now and again, but I'm really craving some home cooked meal, something hot off the stove. So I'm gonna go home and see what I can prep. Oh, I got ackee. Papa gave me ackee, Javi, so I can maybe make some ackee and saltfish. I don't know if I have no saltfish though, but see if I can grab some saltfish. I'm going to chef up some ackee and saltfish. You must have said that you never see that girl that cook food yet. I'll be your box food. It's just that my life is just so hectic. Sometimes I just can't find the time to cook if it's not for the boys. I really don't cook. Oh yeah, let's go. I'm beat. I am beat. So guys, we got our ackee. Oh my god, this is more than a dozen ackee. Or just about a dozen. 3, 6, 9, 12. It's a bit over a dozen. So this is how much ackee I got from the pods, guys. This is a good amount. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pick these out. Like if you know how to clean up ackee, let me find a nice one. So first you just go and you just slice the head off like so, and you open it up, and then you're gonna go in and remove all of these pink stuff. If I have what in the microwave? No, but if you want me to, I can. So I usually just go and cut away this and clean it out, dig out all of the pink things inside, and you're good to go. Your ackee should be like this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. So I usually wash it as well. I'm not trust ackee, you know. I'm not able, I'm not can. So yeah, that's all you do. Clean it out, wash it, and put it to boil with some saltfish. So let's go do that.
I finished my first page, but I don't know what to do on the next page.
It says, write the correct word from the word list. That names each picture. So you have 6 words in the word list.
And what is this word?
You tell me, I'm not telling you.
Yeah, want me to walk over?
Don't look over nowhere. Sound out the word, please. CH says. I says. Good. So that's the word. So which one of those pictures is pointing at somebody's chin? Good. So you're going to just write the name below. So write chin below. So you're a smart boy, Jamie. You don't need me to tell you what to do, right?
Yep.
Wow, I hope so. I hope so. Jamir, lowercase n, please.
Oh, no, the
No, that n is too big.
N is too
It's
big.
supposed to be below the red line. Remember, you must keep your letters in line.
Okay.
Only the uppercase one must go above it, right?
Okay. Is that good enough?
Yes, that's perfect. Next, which other word do you see in your word list? Somebody tell them here.
This is the Aubrey because I hear the R and I see R right here.
So yes, it's obvious.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll put a cherry if you want to.
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
You say so.
Is it correct?
Here, simmering down. Also have our rice over here. Need to remove the plastic. I think it's all steamed now. And do a little test. Yep. Steamed and buttery. Just the way I like it. Can a girl get some water, please, to have with her dinner? So guys, I am done cooking. I just shared a small portion for myself. Jamir says he wants to eat some of my ackee and rice.
I only want to eat the rice.
The ackee is so buttery.
No,
Love it.
no.
Javi, can you turn that down a little, please, baby?
Rice is not better.
I said buttery. Javi, can you turn that down, please?
I got this for you. It's kind of fresh.
Thank you. Is this cherries fresh? So why couldn't I get one from in the fridge? Can I have one from in the fridge, please?
Okay.
And some cold water. I have like the sweetest boys ever, which you all have figured out by now. And guys, as I said, the ackee is so buttery, the rice is buttery.
Fresh too.
Thank you, baby, and some water. This is like one of my go-to meals on a good day when I get ackee. And I love to get ackee like from people. I don't like to buy ackee around because I don't know it go already. Like people will literally pry the ackees open and you know that's poisonous. So I really don't practice to buy ackee like from the market or wherever. If it's not given to me by someone, chances are I'm not eating ackee. Or if I didn't pick it, I'm not eating. Do you see me? Sure, that cup is fine. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I have so much work to do on the back end. Swamped is an understatement. So So I'm gonna go ahead. That's fine, Jamir. That's okay. Don't pull it up.
Don't ever walk.
Why not? I have stuff to do, bruh. Thank you.
I want your Aki.
You want Aki? Alright, come. I want you to taste my Aki.
Yeah.
I want you to tell the vlog. Come over. Pick off everything. Nothing is on it. How it tastes?
Good.
Good. So Jamir, how much you rate my Aki out of 10?
1,000 out of 2,060 billion.
What? That's a lot of ratings for my Aki, man.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful and it tastes delicious too, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let me cool it for you.
Yum, 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 yum.
Alright, can I end the vlog now? Alright, guys. This is the end of Vlogmas Day 9, right? This is Day 9.
Huh?
I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day
10. And then we're gonna have one 11. And at the end, we're gonna have one 100.
100. You think we can go 100 days of Vlogmas? That's impossible, bro. That's too long. We're only doing 25 days. Is that okay? Alright.
And then we're number 25.
Alright, we'll see. Leave it in the comments if you want us to extend Vlogmas.
Yeah.
And we'll kindly do so. Alright, bye. See you
Bye.
tomorrow.
Like and subscribe.
Thank you, baby. Alright, come have some more, Aki.
Yeah.
You're the sweetest boy ever.
You're a really good and I love you too, Papa.
Love you too.
They're fresh.
Thank you, it's delicious. You made it?
Yes.